bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked you.
Alright guys, so I have finished my curls, my installation, and now I'm going to just kind of brush these curls out a little bit. The lace is hitting. Hopefully that's coming off on camera, because in person it looks real good, like melted, blended, all of that. Looks real good. I think what I'm going to do is, I wanted to naturally let these curls fall. Maybe I'll shake my head. Shake your dress, shake. I'm gonna shake my head to make the curls kind of look a little bit more full and fall a little bit more, you know. I think that would, yeah, make them curls fall a little bit more, but still look nice and full. That's what I was looking for. I think I kind of want to cut this. I'm like getting my lip gloss all over my face. I kind of want to cut my bang a little bit. I'm looking for something a little bit more layered. what we're looking for. That looks good. Yes, hunty. Just a little something. Nothing wrong with a few layers. I'll push it back. Ooh, cute. That's very cute. Start low, just in case I need to go up higher. Yes, ma'am. That is what that hair was needing. Take me a little bit of mousse right across the top where my little flyaways are. Final look. What do we think? A good middle part unit. Made me some nice little layer bangs in the front. Added some of these loose body curls. I did it from my 1-inch barrel wand here. Ooh, that was a hot comb. The lace already comes pre-cut, comes pre-plucked, natural hairline. Put it on. You don't have to use no glue. Wear it completely glueless. It has the nice little, it has material in the back of the unit, the way the wig is made, so that way it will stay on your head comfortably and secure and not be slipping and sliding. It has that elastic band that is 100% adjustable. Like, you can make this wig super, super fitted, or you can make it loose. So I feel like it will be a good wig for any head size range, because I had made mine a little too tight and I'm on the bigger headed side, so just to let you know. And the hair itself is real high quality, very minimum shedding, no tangles so far. It looks nice and healthy. And if you are a beginner, this would definitely be a nice beginner wig for you if you want to kind of jump into some lace. It's not a full frontal. You just get some closure space right in here. It kind of stops right by here. So it stops about right here, leaving your ear tab area still available and out, so you don't have to worry about trying to blend some lace or have the lace all across your hairline. It just stops right there. You have plenty of lace space to work with. So if you're not a middle part girly, you can do a side part or pull some up, pull some down, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna try and do a little separate style. Make sure y'all check out my TikTok if you want to see like the full hair tutorial on that, but I'm gonna just show you guys in the next clip the extra hairstyle that I'm going to create. So if you're interested in this unit, check out my description bar below. You gotta try UNiceHair out. They have some great quality hair. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you all so much for tuning in. Thank you to UNice for sending this unit over, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.